So you have to do TMS configuration, operation modes, right? Then you have to do client copy. So we have to show, I have to show you how to do all these things. Then you will do in the new environment. Client copy can be a remote, local, and also can be remote. Local client copy and remote client copy. Then you have to configure RFC. Then you have to we'll try for CUA to configure CUA, right? Central User Administration. Then data archiving, we will show. You don't have to do that. You can practice. These are the main topics. Now after finishing installation, first we have to, after installation, first check the installation. Check installation. To check the installation, what command do you use? To check whether a person is sick, what command will you use? But what will you do? Check whether he's sick, right? So likewise, sick. That's a command, right? System some check. System check. Yeah, no, in the T code where you type T code, command line error sick, or you can type SM28 if you don't like that. Like for example, I will log into this system product. I type sick, so it will tell no errors reported. Okay. Then I will type SM28. Same, SM28 is same. Sick and SM28 is same, right? SM28 or sick, both will give the same results. Then I have to type a command called SGEN because this is the first installation. I have to type a command called SGEN. What is SGEN? After installing, if we type a T code, it will start doing compilation. It will be compiling that every time I type a new T code, right? So it takes a long time. So when I type SGEN once after installation, it may take more than 10 hours in this system, but it will compile all the T codes as per my specification when I execute this command, right? So for example, if I type SGEN here, so it gives an option, generate all objects of selected software components, regenerate after SAP system upgrade. I have to do that every time when I do a system upgrade also. Last run, regeneration like that. So we assume that I'm selecting this. Then I will say continue. So these are the components, software components. So I can select what component I wanted to. So if I select, say, for example, BW or basis, it will do components only related to basis. Okay. Then if I say continue, what system I am in? Product. Continue. So this is the instance, the server name actually, server instance name actually. So the product is the server, the host name, PRD is SID, and this is the instance number. Then I say continue. Because we already did it before, right? So my selection is not appropriate, right? I didn't do system upgrade after that. If I say something else, we say generate all SGEN, generate all. We'll see what happens. We select all of them. Continue. So it's defining the number of objects generated based on all components, right? At this time, if I create an, if I log in into the system, if I open another session, it may be too late because it takes a lot of resources. What I do is I log in into the system again.
What's the equivalent of the SGEN?
SGEN is SGEN. That's a T code, yeah. So while it is doing that, it's doing a lot of work here. So I'm type SM50 here to see the performance. Same system. Oh, now it's, now see, it was doing a lot of things. Now it's anyway, it finished that work, right? So if I say start, right, it will start doing this, right? So it takes a lot of resources and nobody can, most probably, if you use the system, it's going to be very slow, right? I can start now.
So what would be the optimum system to run SAP? I missed that maybe in the beginning.
What is that?
Optimum system to run SAP.
What do you mean by optimum system?
With a good processor and
Yeah, all depends on your hardware sizing based on number of users using at the same time, concurrently using, and also how many applications you are running, right? All those information, right? But the minimum we can give, minimum recommended one we can give, or minimum also we can give. If you want to install SAP, minimum is 2 gig memory, but it's going to be very, very slow. 3 gig is reasonable, and Pentium 2 processor, and also hard drive is 320 gig, okay, for ECC 6. See, now see, when I started that, so a lot of things are happening, right? So you see a column called username. So Don is doing this. And also if I activate the CPU usage, it will show the CPU usage also. So this is generate. So that means sequential read, generate, insert, like that. There will be a lot of options here. So what is the name of the report running? This is the name of the report. So it gives you all the information. So committing, direct read, generating, and reason. If there is something happening, it gives, if there's a problem also, it gives a reason, right? So you will see all possible things which can happen on a table, in a table, right? If I go this way, you will see the table name. If I didn't see the table name, yeah, so that's the name of the table. So now, for example, this table is read directly, right? If the table is read directly, if the table is indexed, right, it will read fast, right? Like that. Those type of ideas you will see. This table is talking about the definition, table definitions, right? Yeah. So a lot of activities going on, right? And also if I want to see whether the job is running now, what is the command to check the jobs? SM37. So that is another topic we have to do. Jobs, create jobs, because we have to create more jobs in Ontario. So that's why we are going to do this. And then we monitor jobs. That also we do, monitor jobs. Then we'll talk about batch jobs. This also we will do, right?
So when you run SM37, you'll be able to see all the jobs which are running, right?
SM37 will show, yeah. So now I am typing SM37 here. Enter. So started by me, or if you want to select everybody, I put a star there, but I started a job. I want to see only my job, and this is the date. Okay, then execute. So this is a job we started. Okay, so
I don't see it.
active.
What's the option to delete or to cancel the job?
Active here, right? But if I want to change anything, there are a lot of options.
Okay.
I can cancel active now, I can delete, I can release job, I can make it scheduled, right? I can copy, I can change, I can repeat scheduling, right? I can move to a different server if you feel the server is getting slow,
Yeah.
right? All these things, whatever you do in AS400, okay?
That's a very good command always to maintain system.
Yeah.